Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to download songs. Okay, first you'll need to go to YouTube and then search your song name, like I'll download Alone, Alan Walker. Then click in these three dots. I'll show you, like these three dots. These three dots, okay, which I marked. So after clicking that, you'll click share. After clicking that, copy link. Copy. Then exit out of here. Go to Google. Write MP3 converter. Then scroll down a little bit, like this one. You'll click on this link, then enter the video link, like paste, then convert. Okay, then wait for some seconds. These are ads, nothing, another thing. Then you'll click download, skip ad, no need to subscribe, go click it, and then go to your play music. Just check a little bit, where is it? If it is not working, then try again, because sometimes it's some error kind of thing happens. This also happens with me. So again you'll go to Google, then MP3 converter. No need that. Download complete. See, a notification will come. Don't hear from here. Listen to the music from here. Go to play music and then see download Alan Walker. Okay, this is how you download songs and musics in your play songs. Okay, so today's video was short, so I was giving you how to download tutorials. So you can download, if you want like this, you can download like this. So okay, today's video is this much. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home, stay safe.